Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Fidelity. To uninstall the Fidelity tax form sync app, begin by locating the app on your device. If you are using a Windows computer, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, select Settings to open the Settings window. In the Settings window, click on Apps to access the list of installed applications. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the Fidelity tax form sync app. Once you find the app, click on it to reveal additional options. Select the Uninstall button that appears. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you really want to uninstall the app. Click Uninstall again to proceed with the removal process. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. After the app has been successfully uninstalled, you can close the Settings window. If you are using a Mac, begin by opening the Finder application. In the Finder sidebar, click on Applications to view all installed programs. Locate the Fidelity tax form sync app within the Applications folder. Right-click on the app icon to open the context menu. Select Move to Trash from the menu options. To permanently delete the app, right-click on the trash icon in your dock. Choose Empty Trash and confirm the action when prompted. The Fidelity tax form sync app is now completely uninstalled from your Mac. For mobile devices, locate the Fidelity tax form sync app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until options appear. On iOS devices, select Remove App. On Android devices, choose Uninstall from the menu. Confirm the uninstallation to remove the app from your device. After completing these steps, the Fidelity tax form sync app will be removed from your device successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.